This method that I'm going to be showing you is going to give you your 1000 subscriber in no time. If you are still under 50 subscriber, you are still under 3, 4, 5, you are struggling to get subscribers and you want to get subscribers the right way, this method is going to make sure that you get your subscribers very fast. In 7 days you're going to get a lot of subscribers. Yes, if you are in a hurry to get subscribers and to monetize your channel, just watch this video. It's going to give you more than 2 to 3,000 subscribers if you're ready. Now let's dive into this video. Let's not waste much time. To be able to get your 1000 subscriber, you just use your YouTube. You go to your YouTube app, then you click on shorts. So this is the short that I'm in now. So this is the short I want to use for this tutorial. This short has a lot of attention, it has a lot of views, it has a lot of like, it has a lot of comments, and it has a lot of repost and use of this app. This is where you are going to see this feature I'm about to show you right now. So just watch very carefully. You are going to click on this and you see either you are using sound, you use templates, you use collab, green screen, or cut the video. What I'm going to be teaching you here is how to use these three things here: the collab, green screen, and the cut video. So let's start with collab. So this is the video I'm going to use. You can either crop the video into how you want it to be. You can either crop it. Maybe you want the part you want in the video you want to collab. The parts that you want, the parts that you like is what you are going to collab on. That's what you are going to use. So I'm going to be cropping the part that I want and collab on that one. So any part you crop is fine. So this is me now. I want to collab to this video, just like I want to react to this video. So once I click this red button now, I'm going to record what my reaction will be to this video. So it depends on whatever you want to say, whether you want to add a comment, you want to use your microphone, you want to add a comment, you want to make a sound, anything you want to do. Once you click this red button, you are going to start. So now there's a way you can change this thing. Once you click on this thing here that is looking like window here, you can change it to the bottom, to the side, to the top. The video you are reacting to be on the top or it will be on the bottom, and whichever way you want. So let's leave it like this. Then you can put a timer. 10 seconds, 20 seconds, 3 seconds, so that okay, you get ready to what you want to react to, maybe your script and everything, you'll have mastered everything, then you start your timer. I'm not going to be using a timer, so let's just start this video. Just react to your video, do whatever you need to do on this video. Just react, do your reaction, make it your own video, make it look like your own video. Once you are done, you can pause this video, then continue. Just make sure that you make it original, make it spicy, make it look like something that people will watch. Then you can now click next and then upload your video. You can now click next and upload your video. Then I upload my video. But before you click next, go back. There's something I want to show you here. You can click on this caption. You can write any caption that you want to just make it look very spicy, to make it look original. Then you can also add timing to this caption. You can edit where the caption is supposed to begin and end. That is what I'm trying to achieve here. And you can drag the caption down also to the main video. You can also drag it down. I was trying to drag it down here, but it was not letting me. I don't know why. Maybe because I'm screen recording. But if you are doing it to allow you drag, click on the timing, time your caption to where you want it to be. Then when you have done that, you can just put in your sticker, whatever sticker you want, you can put it in. You are practically making the video your own video. That's what you are trying to do. So then you click on next when you want to add your video. Then you can now click on related video. Click on your latest video. Maybe you want those audience that are watching that short to be able to watch your latest video. So you put it there so that you can drive traffic from your short to your long video. Then you put your stuff, schedule your post. Don't put it on public instantly. Make sure you schedule your post. Then you click on upload. Now you can see that this video has a lot of. Now I'm going to be showing you another method you are going to use, what you are going to avoid on this TikTok. If you see a video like this, I'm going to be clicking on this third video now. Okay, you see that you see this third video, you see that the feature is not highlighted in this third video. It means that you cannot collab on this video. If you try to collab on this video using another means, maybe downloading the video and collabing on the video, you get a copyright strike. So this means that you cannot use the feature, you cannot use their video to collab, don't use their video to do anything. That's what they're just trying to tell you. So if you see that this feature is not highlighted in one's video, avoid it totally. But you can see it's highlighted on this video now. So almost 426. You can use the sound, you can use the collab, you can use the green screen. Now I want to teach you how to use the green screen. So I'm going to go back and use this cat video for the green screen because it's going to explain a lot. So I want to use the reaction of this. I want to use this facial reaction for my green screen. So I'm going to crop it because you can't use everything, because the green screen is just going to pick one part. That's what it just means. So you have to just pick one side, click done, then continue. This is how the green screen is going to come. So you can talk, say what you want to say, do whatever you want to do. Make sure that once you have clicked record, once you record whatever you want to say, then you continue. So the third part is cutting this video. Let's see how we can do that. So this is, you are going to cut the part that you want. Sometimes some people, you can use the whole full video, but to make sure that you want your audience to watch your own video, just cut the part that you want that's taking it to your. Now when you click done, that part you want to use, and you click done, this cuts the video. Let's start it again. Let's start this cut. What you want to achieve here is that you want to, let's click on cut the video again. So we want to make sure that the video is not too long. It's not too long, because cutting the video, if the video is already too long, people will not watch the video anymore. So this is your own part. You are going to record yourself talking whatever you want to say. Like let's try it. So this is my own video that I want to use for the cut video. I might not record directly. If you have something here, you can click on your gallery and pick what you have from your gallery. It's not compulsory that you must record. So I've already recorded something, so let's go. Now you can see that I'm now playing the video. The first video has already played. Join with my own video. That is how cut works. Cut this video works. This first video is going to capture your subscribers' attention to your own video. That means you're going to get a lot of views by doing this. This is so very easy and simple. Introduce it. So do you see now? So now I can now put whatever I want to put here, then do. This is a very good feature and it's very good, especially this cut the video, because you have already taken the video as the first 5 seconds of the video, then your video will play. It already capture attention of all this video. If this feature is not good, YouTube will not introduce it. So after you have done that, you are going to make sure that you are using top people's videos, like videos that are very funny, videos that are very interesting, video that people would like to watch. That is the video you are going to collab with. When you are doing this 3 to 4 times a day or 3 to 4 times a week, you are going to get a lot of traction. You are going to get a lot of people watching your video, coming to your channel and subscribing to your channel. That is how you get a subscriber fast. This method is very fast, it's easy, it's safe, and you don't need to do anything. You don't need to do sub for sub, you don't need to do any extra thing. Just do this method and you are going to get your subscriber fast. Make sure that you are reacting genuinely to these videos and you are putting your own impact, you are putting your own impact into the video, and you're going to get subscriber in your channel. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. My name is Blessing, or remain your one and only. My name remain Blessing, and I'll be seeing you in my next video.